We are pleased to bring you Aizopa, an ice maker that has been honed in our decade of design. Aizopa makes nugget ice production faster, easier, and more fun. Aizopa can start producing nugget ice cubes in 5 minutes. Makes 1,000 nuggets every 60 minutes, 24,000 nuggets in 24 hours. The nugget ice produced by Aizopa is unique. High surface area, more air pockets, compressed ice flakes. This makes the nugget ice cube superior in design, versatile, and easier to chew. Aizopa is easy to use and maintain for any water source. It features a modern and durable compact design. So how does Aizopa work? Fill up the water tank, power on, and press start button. Aizopa can store approximately 1,500 ice cubes in the included storage container. Aizopa is equipped with a newly developed ice-making engine, which ensures fresh ice and fresh water every time. Our decades of experience in ice-making technology and our experienced team ensure we deliver the highest quality products. Thank you very much for your support. We can't wait for Aizopa to come into your home and add the best ice to your drinks. Back Aizopa today and get an exclusive discount.